is the jar. Today, $10.98 with no refund. And this is like this is the bracelet stretchy, and then there's a Park Lane. And I got two, I don't know what's this, there's like a big said vintage, I don't know, TEG or something. It's like it's kinda, I don't know what, metal. And I got this cross. I forgot about the video this, so I just re-video again. And I got two earrings matching with this other one right there, vintage. And so that one I need to untangle. Yes, so the bracelet matching with my another balloon here is from pawn shop right there. This is from thrift store. There's a jar. So I just charged my phone because I got low bat before. So this is matching with these two earrings right here. We'll see if it magnet. Okay. Need to Google stuff. See you later.